You might think you're eating healthy, but you could be sabotaging your progress with one invisible mistake. Certain food combinations may reduce how well your body absorbs nutrients by as much as 90%. Without you even knowing it. What many people don't realize is that the meals you believe are healthy might not deliver the benefits you expect, because you're unknowingly making these same pairing mistakes. But here's the good news. Every single one of these mistakes is completely fixable. Mistake number 1: feeling tired all day. This simple food pairing might be the reason. Calcium and iron work differently in your digestive system. They compete for the same absorption pathways. Here's the surprising part: it happens even with healthy foods. According to research reported by Harvard Health 2021, calcium may reduce iron absorption by up to 50%. That means your body might only process about half the iron from a meal when dairy is present alongside it. When you combine spinach with feta cheese, you're getting far less iron benefit because of the competing nutrients. This happens constantly, and most people don't even realize it. The result? Feeling tired throughout the day, even though you're eating healthy. So what can you do? Try this: space dairy and iron-rich foods by at least 2 hours. Have your dairy at breakfast and your iron-rich foods at lunch or dinner. By making this one simple timing change, you may improve how your body actually uses these nutrients without changing what you eat. Mistake number 2: your morning coffee could be blocking key nutrients. Calcium isn't the only thing affecting how your body processes nutrients. Your morning routine might be playing a bigger role than you realize. According to research from Nutrition Research 2020, consuming coffee alongside iron-rich meals may reduce nutrient absorption by as much as 60%. Tea and coffee contain compounds called tannins and polyphenols that naturally bind to certain nutrients. This affects how efficiently your body can use them. If you're trying to optimize your energy, this timing might be more important than you think. Try this: wait 30 to 60 minutes after eating iron-rich foods. Before having coffee or tea, many people notice stronger energy levels within just a few days of making this change. Mistake number 3: your veggies might not be giving you what you think. According to research reported by Mayo Clinic 2020, most people may only get partial benefits from their vegetables. This is the fat-soluble vitamin situation that many people don't realize the reason many healthy eaters aren't seeing the results they expect. Without a drizzle of healthy oil, you're absorbing far less of the vitamins that vegetables actually contain. If you're eating vegetables without any dietary fat, research shows, you may be getting only a fraction of the available nutrients. Vitamins A, D, E, and K require fat to be processed properly by your body. Without fat, these vitamins can't cross your intestinal barrier. They simply pass through your system unused. Try this: add 1 tablespoon of healthy fat to your vegetables. Drizzle olive oil, use full-fat dressing on salads, or add sliced avocado. Just 1 tablespoon can help your body actually use these important vitamins more effectively. Mistake number 4: this is why you get bloated after meals and how to stop it. Fruit naturally moves through your system quickly because it requires minimal digestion. But when you eat it at the very end of a heavy meal, it sits on top of protein and starches that take much longer to break down. When this happens, the fruit may ferment instead of moving through smoothly. That uncomfortable bloated feeling you get an hour after dinner is often related to the order in which your body processes different foods. People who adjust their meal timing often notice less bloating and better comfort within just a week. Try this: eat fruit 30 minutes before your main meal, or at least 2 hours after. You may notice feeling lighter and more energized throughout your day. Mistake number 5: why your carbohydrate choices might be affecting your muscle gains. How you time your meals directly affects your results. When you combine protein with refined carbohydrates like white bread or white rice, your blood sugar may rise rapidly. That insulin response can affect how your body uses the protein you've eaten, and some of it may be stored differently, instead of being directed toward muscle growth. When you pair protein with complex carbohydrates and vegetables instead, your blood sugar stays more stable throughout the day. Your body may use protein more efficiently, by as much as 35 to 40%, according to research. Try this: switch to complex carbohydrates when eating protein. according to a meta-analysis in the Journal of Nutritional Science 2022. This approach may support better protein utilization and muscle building outcomes. Most notice meaningful changes within 2 to 3 weeks. The food combinations that actually work. Some combinations can genuinely enhance your nutrition instead of reducing it. Vitamin C also plays an important role in how your body processes iron. It may enhance iron absorption by up to 300%. Orange juice with steak or tomato sauce with beans are both powerful pairings that maximize nutrient uptake. Healthy fats combined with vegetables create the ideal environment for nutrient processing. Protein paired with complex carbohydrates and vegetables may represent the best overall strategy for maintaining stable energy and improving body composition over time. Common questions about food timing and nutrient absorption. How long does it take to see results? Most people notice changes within 1 to 3 weeks. Research from the International Journal of Sport Nutrition found that simple timing adjustments led to 68% of participants reporting improved energy levels within 14 days. Some feel the difference within days, while others take a bit longer to recognize the shift. Do I need to change my whole diet? No. Start with just one adjustment from this article. Pick the mistake that affects you most, make that one change for 2 weeks, and notice how you feel. Small changes often create the biggest impact. Can I still enjoy my favorite foods? Absolutely. This is about timing and pairing, not restriction. You can still eat all your favorite foods. Just be intentional about when and what you combine them with. What if I'm concerned about adding oils because of calories? Fat plays a key role in how your body processes certain vitamins. Start with 1 tablespoon and your body will adjust quickly. The nutritional benefits you gain are genuinely worth this small addition. Does it matter if my vegetables are frozen instead of fresh? Frozen vegetables retain their nutritional content just as well as fresh vegetables and absorb healthy fats equally well. What matters is adding dietary fat, not whether they're frozen or fresh. Take action this week. Start with one change. Ready to start? Pick one of these small changes this week. The one that resonates most with your biggest frustration. Feeling tired? Space dairy and iron-rich foods by 2 hours. Constant bloating? Eat fruit before your meal, not after. Not gaining muscle? Switch to complex carbs with your protein. Make that one adjustment for 2 weeks and pay attention to how you actually feel. Track your energy levels, your digestion, and how you perform at the gym. The people who achieve real results make intentional choices that align with how their bodies actually work. So next time you're preparing a meal, take 5 seconds and ask yourself, am I combining these foods in the way that works best for my body? That brief moment of awareness could literally be the difference between feeling sluggish all day versus feeling genuinely energized and sharp. Small, consistent changes often create the biggest results. Your body will respond with noticeable changes in how you feel each day, proving that smart timing creates real transformation. Pick one mistake from this article. Just one. Make that change for 2 weeks. Then come back and tell us which shift you noticed first. Better energy, less bloating, or stronger workouts? The answer might surprise you.